thank you for joining me on week 2 of distance learning. Last week we did a scavenger hunt to find things that we can create art with. This week I would like to teach you guys how to make clay out of simple things like paper, water, flour, and salt. So follow along with me as we make our very own paper clay. Awesome, you just finished making your very own paper clay. This paper clay is good to keep in a tightly sealed container for a couple days. If you need to keep it a little longer, you can keep it for up to about a week in the fridge or 2 to 3 weeks in the freezer. Now that we're done making our paper clay, it's time for you to sculpt something out of the clay you made. Using tools you can find around your house, we're going to make our favorite food or our favorite animal. Great tools to start off with are forks, knives, and spoons that you can find in the kitchen. Once you are done making your project, let it dry for 1 to 2 days. Once it's dry, you can either leave it as is or you can add paint to it. Since it's paper clay, you could even draw on it with marker. Get creative and let's see what you come up with. Take a picture of what you created and attach it to the assignment when you turn it in. With your assignment, there'll be a quick questionnaire asking you some things that you learned about this clay making process. Just wanted to give you guys a reminder, our last Zoom draw with me went fantastic. I had such a fun time drawing with you guys and I'd love to do it again. So this Friday from 1 to 2 o'clock, we'll be drawing together again. Thank you guys, I miss you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy this time with your family. Bye!